This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Rosenblum. Move-in ready, remodeled condo with hurricane protection and private garage. Enjoy the benefits of a fully remodeled home without the hassle of renovation. This beautifully updated unit features a modern kitchen and bathrooms, all tastefully and professionally redone in 2021. Wood look tile flooring, not laminate, adds style and durability throughout the space. A private, attached one-car garage comes equipped with high-end storage cabinets, perfect for organizing tools and gear. The garage door is hurricane rated, and all windows in the sliding glass door have impact-resistant hurricane glass. The lanai is protected by an electric hurricane shutter, providing full storm security. Situated on higher ground, this property remained unaffected by recent floods, offering added peace of mind. The community, Palm Paradise, is exempt from the new Milestone Study due to its height, under 3 stories, and reserves are fully funded, ensuring a financially healthy association. Additional features include AC system, installed in 2022, water heater, 2019, Plantation Shutters, and whole unit water filtration system. High-speed fiber optic cable and internet included in the $777 per month condo fee. Average electric and water/sewer bills are just $80 to $100 per month each. Partly furnished, making your move even easier. All of this is located just minutes from popular dining, shopping, and entertainment spots. This is a rare opportunity to own a low-maintenance, secure, and stylish home in a prime location. For more information, review the details below or contact Jerry Rosenblum at 239-450-4770.